Hi everyone, this is Madhu, your communication coach. Today in this 2-minute video, we are going to cover articles. This is for the time constrained folks who want something in just 2 minutes. So what are articles? Articles are used before nouns. Okay, there are 3 words, so it's very simple. Articles, there are just 3: a, an, and the. Okay, when you are speaking naturally in a sentence, a is pronounced as a, an is pronounced as an, and the or the, depending on whether the article the is followed by a vowel or a consonant. If the article the is followed by a vowel, we pronounce it as the, and when it is followed by a consonant, we pronounce it as the. Okay, so the first thing you have to know is what is a and what is the. The is the definite article, indefinite is a and an, because a and an are used to talk about any person or anything that's unknown to the listener or the reader. If you use the, it has to be followed by a noun that is known to the listener or reader. Okay, you can use them to talk about non-specific things, a and the has to be about a particular known thing. So that's the big difference between definite and indefinite articles. So the next thing you have to know is when to use a and when to use an. A is used before a consonant sound, not just it has to be a consonant, it has to be a consonant sound, and an you use before a vowel sound. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are the remaining 21 letters in English alphabet. So it is a book, an apple. A book, an apple. So next thing you have to remember is a and an. The indefinite articles are used only with singular and countable nouns. When I say countable, we mean a noun that you can count as 1, 2, 3, 4 and stuff like that. Okay, so but things like water or love, these things you can't count. You can't say I have 5 loves, or I have 10 loves for you, right? So these are non-count. You cannot use it with non-countable nouns. The next thing you have to know is the article the, though, can be used with everything, whether it is singular, plural, countable, uncountable, you can use it with everything. So these 3 or 4 rules that I just covered should be enough for you to understand articles and use it correctly for most part. Okay, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel to watch similar content. This is Madhu from Success Net. Good luck with your English preparation.